Happy New Year from everyone here at Daily Manufacturing. We hope that 2024 is your best year yet. 2024 is actually a big year for us here at Daily as we are celebrating 65 years in business. What started as a small company out of the back of a garage making storm windows has blossomed into this great business that you see today, moving into a full renovation company. Doors, windows, cabinets, kitchens, baths, anything that you guys need, we are here to help you. We are so happy to be servicing Willow Grove in the greater Philadelphia area for 65 years and would love to thank everyone that's helped support us over the years. 2024 is going to be a big year for us. Stick around to our social media to see what we've got going on. We're going to be posting a lot of old photos, history, the great history that we have of being in business for the last 65 years. And for anyone new to us, we'd love to help you out. Get in touch with us here, stop into our showroom, give us a call, whatever we can do to help you guys out. If you need some new windows, need some new doors, need a full kitchen, anything, we would love to help you. 65 years in business here at Daily Manufacturing. Thanking you guys. Give us a call. We'd love to hear from you soon.